Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I help you how to condition for mass for sale, best win for sale and color. Okay, so let's go. The first you select a brands for mass condition. For example, select on and then click condition for us. Select new rule. Okay, so it's our display option. Dialog option, new formatting rules. Select format only save as content. Okay. Select specific text and okay. Containing this here you type test if you want to format. Okay. For example, done, and then format here. So views, select color, okay, and then click OK, and then click OK. So now you type done. Okay, so done, format done, and color for share. Okay, anything share done. Okay, very easy. Okay, so again, condition author, select on condition 0. Okay, specific text not purpose view fresh. Okay. Now your timers. So color red L. Very easy. Nice. Very easy. Done. Okay. So this video the end here. Thank you so much. If you feel this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone. Thank you so much.